Sounds like Stilez Robertson will be out until High Point at least. That is the news, or I guess you'd want to call it, update from Pulpamex or Steve Mathis, whoever you want to say. And it's gotta be, this sucks. I mean, what an absolute ridiculous amount of time this guy has been off a bike. Obviously not by choice, I'd assume, but if you watch that clip right there, posted from his Instagram story, from 2023, 7 surgeries on that wrist, and all the scar tissue in there, that thing has just got to be so screwed up. I mean, you watch that and you can see it pop up and down. Do that to your own wrist right now. Try it. That your wrist is not going to do that motion. It's not a natural thing. And for him, I mean, it's from multiple teams. I mean, on Star, on the new Triumph, it's like he's not getting bad rides. These aren't bad bikes to be on. This isn't like a shoestring budget and something broke and that's why he's injured. It's just one of those things. I mean, look at Christian Craig's arm. Something bad happens and it doesn't get fixed the right way the first time, or the second time, or the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh in this case, and then it just lingers forever. And especially, joints like your shoulders, your elbows, your knees, your wrists are so important in this sport for control. I mean, if you don't have the strength in one hand, every time you land, it's going to be sketchy. Every time you have to do anything, it's just not going to be good. I mean, look, wasn't it for a while he was training on a bike that didn't have a clutch because it was, trying to be softer on his arm? I don't know what you want to call it there, but it sucks for him. I mean, it sucks for the team. Obviously, you sign a bunch of people, and very few of them have even raced this year. I mean, you got Jalek Swoll, who has been gone the whole year. Stilez Robertson, who's been gone most of the year. Let's say Faulkner, who is kind of irrelevant at the moment, down in who knows where, 10th, 15th in Supercross, and not doing much in one round of outdoors, but sucks for him. Hopefully High Point is, when he can come back. That would be 1, 2, 3 rounds from now in June 14th. But honestly, if he's looking like that, it sounds like maybe another surgery, so I highly doubt it. But I don't know. That's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to any rounds? Are you going to High Point or any of the ones coming up? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.